Auburn, Washington, a beautiful town with its own unique weather challenges. Heavy rains and unpredictable weather can take a toll on your home if it's not properly protected. Most homeowners never realize how much damage the rain could cause until it is too late. Your home needs a solution to stay protected. That's where Seamless Gutters for Less comes in. We specialize in seamless gutter installations designed to withstand Auburn's toughest weather conditions. Our seamless gutters are custom-made on site to fit your home perfectly, ensuring no leaks and efficient water management. Our experienced team ensures a precise and quick installation, providing you with peace of mind and long-lasting protection. With our high-quality seamless gutter system, you can protect your home from water damage and maintain its value no matter what the weather brings. Don't just take our word for it. Seamless Gutters for Less is rated 5 stars on Google with over 245 reviews, each of them 5-star from our satisfied customers. Contact Seamless Gutters for Less today for a free consultation. Seamless Gutters for Less, your trusted partner in weather protection.